Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I'll be showing you how you get your own support a creator code for your Epic Games account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up your Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you own on your account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, what we want to do to get our own code is go ahead to the official website of the Support a Creator program. So what we want to do there is guys, go ahead and log in and request that we get a code for ourselves. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my internet browser. Here I'm using Google, and what you want to search for guys is right this. You want to type in Support a Creator program. Guys, go ahead and search for that, and as you can see, the first result right here is from epicgames.com, the official website, which is the Support a Creator program. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and open up this. And now guys, this will bring us to the page right here that does support a creator program, where you will be able to get your own code. And as you can see here guys, now you can see that they are currently not accepting new creators and not supporting new applications at this time. So at this time of the making of the video, I cannot request for my own code. But guys, if you come back at the right time, sometime in the future, when they start accepting applications again, then you will be able to log in with your Epic Games account. And after that guys, you'll be able to request your own code that you will be able to use. So guys, after doing that, and if they accept you, then they will email you your code and you will be able to start using your code for yourself. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.